Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to create account on Uber. In this I will guide you one of the easiest and step-by-step process to create the account on Uber. So let's get started to the video. First of all, open your Uber application on mobile device. If you are not download, then you can go, I made on video, you can refer that video how to download and all. So let's get started our video. Open your Uber application. Now if you want to allow notification, you can allow, but I don't want to allow that notification, so click on don't allow. Now you can see here get started option is there, so click on that. Now if you want to continue with your mobile number, so you have to give your mobile number. It's compulsory to give mobile number to locate your location and all everything, so you have to give mobile number. Now you can see here you have to give your ID also, so I will give us a continue Google. I will click in this continuous. Yeah, after giving all those details, you have to click on next, and you have to tab on this I agree option for your term and condition. For that you have to click on that, you have to allow this option. So wait. So in this way you can create an account on Uber. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.